Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this error right here that you encounter when you are going to update your Windows. So I'm going to show you two steps in order for us to fix this one. First things first, I want you to head over to services, and here in the services I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down, and we are going to go ahead and look for the event collector. Now go ahead and click this one right here and then set this one to automatic just like so, and then apply and hit OK. Now, another thing that we are going to do is still the same thing. Under Windows, we have here Windows Event Log. We can go ahead and click this one right here and then set this one to automatic. Hit apply and then OK. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is basically open our CMD. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this one as an administrator. Alright, so we have our CMD here. Now, we are going to go ahead and try to copy all of these codes here. I'm going to paste it here, hit enter, and then this one as well. And basically, again, just go ahead and try to paste all of these codes. If you don't see it, you can just go ahead and type this one right here. Alright, there you go. So as you can see, we have already changed the configuration here. Now this time, I want you to go ahead and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, I want you to go ahead and try to see if this works. But basically, that is how you are going to solve this particular update error from Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC.